Okay, hopefully this video will be quite short and sweet. So I've got a video here. This video is in my OneDrive. I've put it in a documents folder, but it's in my SharePoint. And it's actually a video of Hero and me surfing. I'll show you. It's this Hero and the paddling. So what I want to do is I want to get to where I can share that. So I right click, come down to share. What I'm looking for is this copy link here. So I want to copy the link, copy it. Then you can go to your Edge Studio. And I'm not sure whether you have a screen like this in Edge Studio, but the two keys that I'm looking for here is to insert a link. So I'm going to type here, click here to watch the videos. So I'm going to highlight the part that I want the student or the parent to click on. Insert a link. Copy and paste, Control V into the link path. I'm not sure whether this is on Edge Studio, but I like it to open in a separate window, in a new window. And then I'm going to submit that. And you can see here I have an item in my learning place. Excuse me. I can click here to watch the video, and now it's going to open the video in the SharePoint. You can see up here it's opening this video in SharePoint. It's still opening. Give it a moment, and there it is. So that anybody can access the video if they click on that link. I hope that was helpful.